Looking for a hassle-free way to stay on top of your household hoovering? Once an expensive gadget, robot vacuums are now available at a range of price points to suit almost any budget. Not all models are created equal, however, so in this guide we'll cover everything you need to know to make a well-informed buying decision. Robot vacuum cleaners are designed to be as hands-off as possible. Simply start the cleaning process and stand back. The vacuum will navigate your space, sucking up dirt and debris before returning to its recharging station. The only thing you need to do is empty the collection bin. When considering different models, cleaning performance is key. The most effective robot vacuums have brushes that span the full width of the unit, allowing them to clean right along the edges of your room and get into the corners. This configuration is not all that common, however, and you'll find that most models position the brushes between the wheels. These vacuums can still do a decent job, but they rely on less effective spinning corner brushes to get right up to the edges. As you can imagine, suction power is also important. Typically expressed in pascals, this measures how powerful the motor inside the vacuum is. Not every manufacturer quotes suction power, but where it is quoted, look for around 2000 pascals or more. Navigation is where you'll find the most noticeable differences between models. Cheaper vacuums will run random cleaning patterns, bumping around your rooms blindly, cleaning as they go. While they do get the job done, they're not the quickest or most efficient and can miss patches. More expensive models employ cameras and laser sensors to map out their surroundings before they get started. This lets them plan more methodical and efficient cleaning routes. With more advanced mapping, you're also able to custom define cleaning areas and set virtual no-go areas. This means you can instruct the vacuum to avoid a delicate piece of furniture, plant pots, or somewhere they're likely to get stuck. Cheaper vacuums can avoid these areas, but will usually require the application of special boundary strips to prevent them from venturing where you don't want them to go. Mop attachments that allow robot vacuums to clean the floor while they vacuum are becoming increasingly common. While they won't replace a proper manual mop, it's a handy feature worth considering if you have a large expanse of hardwood flooring. Beyond the standard functions, there are several other features worth taking into account. Many robot vacuum cleaners have Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to start vacuuming, set cleaning schedules, and check on the vacuum's cleaning progress right from your phone. Some vacuums are also compatible with smart assistants, allowing you to start and stop cleaning via Alexa, Google Assistant, and sometimes even Siri. Robot vacuum cleaners excel at cleaning below low-lying furniture, easily reaching under tables, cabinets, and beds. As vacuum heights can vary, to get the most out of your unit, you'll want to make sure it can fit where you want it to go. It's also worth noting a vacuum's bin capacity. Due to their smaller average size, robot vacuums need emptying more often than traditional vacuum cleaners. You can, however, find significant differences between models, with some offering as much as 0.7 litres of capacity, while others can be as small as 0.4 litres. Some more expensive robot vacuums can even empty themselves. They have larger bins located at the charging station that suck the dust and debris out of the robot's own dust collector when it gets full.
Emptying the dust bin.
This allows the robot to continue cleaning with even less intervention. It's worth bearing in mind though that you'll still need to empty that bin occasionally, so the added convenience is limited. For a complete rundown of the best robot vacuum cleaners on the market, along with the latest deals, see our website. Get the expert review.